Where's the water?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good girl.
This is Jaden and Olivia's first date. Not Zoe.
They're all older than him too.
Jaden he likes the older women.
Jaden.
Like he has many choices.
Olivia. Jaden. Olivia. You like the water?
Oh, okay.
More water.
There you go.
Something so intriguing. Who needs a zoo?